Hello, everyone. I'm Esperanza, and this is Art from the Heart of St. Augustine's Church. And we are still doing the sessions remotely because of the lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, today's subject rather, would be sheeps. And this is our sketch. And this is the painting of our sheep. And with this painting, you can paint the background or something else, maybe a tree or something really cute around it. I think this is very fun to do. So let's start. To start the sketch for sheep, the first thing we have to do is to have a reference point. And for me, I always use the part of the object that's closest to the viewer as my reference point. So in this case, I will use the eyes. Okay, so I'm just going to draw two circles of different sizes. And then the head. The head is like an inverted egg or an egg. Okay, so let me start with that. So we have that now, and then I'm gonna draw the mouth. Then it's smiling, and then the nose. And then I am going to draw the ears. And then the eyes. Okay, now it's an image of so much cuteness. Okay, now I'm going to draw the body. The body is just like a cloud. So, okay, so we now have the body. Let me turn it around to see if I got that. Yeah, okay, there seems to be something missing here, so I'm just going to add one more. Okay, one more scallop there. And then the feet. So for the feet, we have 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is the sketch of a sheep. So it's now time to paint. And to paint this sheep is very easy. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just to paint the face. So I start with this part of the face. So I'm gonna cover this whole bit with black paint, and then I'm just going to trace the sketch with the black paint. Okay, I'm not going to paint the mouth. But I am going to paint around it. There we go. Okay. Oh, let me make the head a bit rounder because I think that's a bit too pointy. Yeah, a bit too pointy here. So oh, ultimate cuteness. I love the sheep already. Okay, the next thing is the legs. Okay, so we're going to paint the legs black. Okay. Now, the next thing that we're going to do would be to paint the outline. So let me start with the eyes. So those black circles, and then here another black circle, maybe a little bit bigger than the other one. And then we have this. Okay, now the ears. Okay, we're doing very well. So now we'll do the other ear. Okay, so we finished the sheet. I hope you enjoyed the session and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.